In this video, we will explore drill through report in SSRS. Drill through allows user to click on a data point in a summary report and navigate to a detailed report with relevant information. This makes reports more interactive and user friendly. Let's get started. So, what is drill through in SSRS? Drill through in SSRS enables navigation from one report to another by passing parameters. Instead of showing all details in one report, we keep the main report summarized and allow users to drill down to detailed data only when needed. So, let us see with an example. Let us create new project. I am going to add report. Add. I am going to add data. I'm going to add data source. Car insurance. Click on advanced. Trust certificate should be true. Click OK. OK. Click OK. Again, this credential should be used Windows authentication. Now add. Let me add parameter first. Parameter I will add here. And here. Enter here. Click OK. I'm going to add dataset. Data source 1. Let me query designer table from allied sports cars and data. Add. I'm going to add some condition. Where year equal to other rate para. Okay. Now let me add report. Here I'm using, let me add chart. I'm selecting line chart. Here value should be, let me add one here. Like, wait. Okay. Okay. Here I want wait. Here, country. If I click on preview for year 1998, if I click view report, see this is the data. So let me add another report. Add new item, report 2. Here I will add data source. Same data source. Database name, car insurance. Go to advanced. This should be true. Okay. 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 Credential should be Windows authentication. Next, go to dataset, add dataset. Use dataset embedded in my report. Data source 1. Query designer. Let me add. Let me select this. Let me add other details like year, country, price, mileage. Click OK. Okay, let me add a simple table. Year, country, price. Let me add drill through here. Here right click on add group, click, sorry, click on text box properties, go to action, go to report, select the report one. There are parameters also, select parameter, para year, values are year, click OK. So if you click preview, so this is if you click on this year, you will go to this sub report. Like this, you can add drill through in SSRS report. So drill through in SSRS improves report interactivity and organization by allowing users to explore data in more depth only when necessary. This technique is useful for financial reports, sales analysis, and other business intelligence applications. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.